On behalf of the Project ECHO team, I would like to thank the Thomson family for this wonderful award in recognition of innovation and advancing student leadership through community engagement. Michigan communities have been hit hard by the opioid epidemic, and many of our students have been personally impacted by these stories of tragedy and despair. Through participation in Project ECHO, students in the health professions have gained a better understanding and greater compassion in caring for those who are struggling with addiction. The Project ECHO team is made up of volunteers from SVSU, as well as a number of community partners who all seek to improve access and quality of addictions care. These community partners include Bay Aranac Behavioral Health Authority, Peer 360 Recovery Alliance, Recovery Pathways, and Ferris State University. In contributing their expertise in addressing substance use disorders, they embrace an all-teach, all-learn approach that fosters compassionate, evidence-based addiction care. We are grateful for their ongoing commitment to this project. The SVSU-based team of volunteers brings together experts from academia, research, and practice, including faculty and staff from nursing, social work, health leadership, and library science. Through their help and support, we're able to deliver cutting-edge information about addictions care to healthcare providers across Michigan and the U.S. Their dedication to the Project ECHO mission is appreciated, and their individual contributions are valued. We could not do this without them. Finally, we wish to thank the hundreds of healthcare providers who tune in every second and fourth Wednesday to enhance their knowledge about addictions care, but also to generously share their clinical challenges so that we all are enriched by their contributions. In closing, the Project ECHO team is appreciative and humbled in receiving this wonderful award and is grateful for the community support and the student involvement that has made it a success.